A lovely reality exists in the sphere of spiritual energy. Many people emit a high vibrational frequency without even recognizing it. They are genuine humans who are simply being themselves. Have you ever met or sensed the energy of someone? A soul brimming with strong and stunning light, producing a pure and brilliant frequency you recognize as the frequency of a light worker. It's as if you've met an angel on earth when you're in their presence. Language hurdles and worldly difficulties dissolve as you simply connect with them via your heart and soul. This tells us that the language of the soul knows no bounds, allowing us to connect and resonate on a deep level. It's critical to remember the deep reality that high vibrational people frequently go about their lives, shedding their light on the globe while being completely unconscious of the lovely frequency they possess within. These spirits might be anybody in your environment, acting as beacons of love and light. Their sheer presence has the potential to motivate and inspire all who come into contact with them. When you vibrate at a higher frequency, you emit an energy that attracts both children and animals. Children have a pure and intuitive sixth sense, a sensitivity that many adults lose touch with as they navigate life's complications. As a result, youngsters frequently have the unique capacity to read people's energy. Animals, like humans, have this intuitive sensitivity and can detect the vibrations of individuals around them. So if you see that children or animals are naturally drawn to you and feel secure in your company, take it as a sign that they are tuned in to the inner light within you. Children and animals preserve this unique talent because their mental senses are not contaminated by human influences. Regardless matter where you are in the globe, you will notice that cats are particularly drawn to you. When cats gravitate towards you, it's a wonderful sign that your energy resonates on a higher, more spiritually attuned level, creating a harmonious connection between you and these intuitive feline companions. If you've experienced a higher spiritual vibration, you may have observed a strange phenomena in your daily life. People's eyes appear to be drawn to you more than normal. While others may find this attention charming, you may have felt an inner want to retreat and seek consolation, similar to a longing to take safety beneath a protective shelter. It's as if you have an almost eerie sense that eyes are on you, monitoring your every move, wherever you go. This increased awareness might be disturbing, especially if you are typically shy or introverted. However, in the midst of this fascinating and even uncomfortable experience, a deep revelation begins to take root within you. Those intense looks aren't the consequence of chance or happenstance. They are instead a direct reaction to the radiant light that emerges from your existence. Yes, these people are staring because they sense the powerful inner light that you hold within your spirit. It's as if your spiritual elevation and vibratory frequency are so apparent that people can't ignore them. You've drawn their attention to yourself, not because of any exterior attractiveness, but because your inner brightness shows through. So, if you find yourself attracting a lot of attention in public, take it as a powerful validation that your vibrations are truly rising. Even if you are hesitant or introverted, consider welcoming these opportunities with a smile and friendliness. Your inner light is more than simply a personal gift. It is a source of inspiration for those who are lucky enough to experience it, reminding them of the innate brightness that exists inside all of us. Strangers are naturally drawn to you, which is another convincing evidence that you are vibrating at a higher frequency. These meetings with strangers take on a special flavor since they frequently approach you with genuine interest and share intimate details about their life. It's as if you're surrounded by a magnetic energy that draws others who feel drawn to open up and connect. There are those extraordinary days when you meet someone for the first time and immediately feel as if you've known each other for a lifetime. 5-hour discussions flow naturally, and you find yourself digging into the depths of their lives, exchanging stories of life-altering events, recent heartbreaks, and the tragic loss of loved ones. These bonds go beyond the formality of introductions. You may not even know what their name is, yet you are involved in a deep and profound conversation. The resonance of your energy becomes apparent at these instances. Your vibes are so strong that random people are drawn to your light. They are not just at ease in your company, but also forced to confide in you, as if your energy provides them with peace and understanding. In essence, your presence becomes a warm, soothing embrace, an energy hug that delivers a sense of safety and belonging to people who come into contact with you. Embracing these meetings and the relationships they create may be a wonderful testimonial to the heightened vibrations you emit, building a sense of togetherness and shared humanity with strangers drawn to your dazzling energy. When you vibrate at a higher frequency, you may observe that certain people display unpredictable behavior. When you work from a place of love and inner peace, while others are mired in fear and guilt, it might cause them distress. This disparity in energy can sometimes cause people to respond in unanticipated ways. However, it is critical not to be discouraged by these reactions. Instead, be loyal to your own self and let your light shine brightly. Recognize that your raised vibration can serve as a mirror, reflecting back to others the parts of their lives that may require healing or growth. It's critical to stay anchored in your own energy and not dull your light to appease others in such situations. Your honesty and higher vibrations are gifts to the world, and by being true to yourself, you encourage others to go on their own self-discovery and growth journeys. Remember that it is not your obligation to modify or repair the energy of others, but rather to be a light of love and happiness. Your very presence can serve as a catalyst for transformation and healing in the lives of others who may respond adversely at first. Maintain your integrity, since your honesty has the potential to empower and inspire others around you, even if it causes discomfort in some. Indeed, while toxic individuals may not connect with your high vibration, your energy has the potential to cause big adjustments in your surroundings. When you enter a room, you may sense an immediate change in the mood, a slight but discernible transformation. You may immediately detect a shift in people's energy toward you in certain scenarios. It's as if your very presence causes a rebalancing of the energies present, attracting those who resonate with your frequency closer, and producing discomfort or unease in those who don't. Leaving the house becomes an exercise in feeling the vibrational frequencies of others around you. You can tell immediately whether someone has a lower vibration or a frequency that doesn't exactly match your own. This capacity sharpens with time, and it may be one of the reasons you prefer to stay indoors. Light workers frequently have the skill of being empaths, which allows them to read the energy currents of the environments they occupy. Your presence, in essence, may work as a catalyst for energetic adjustments, driving the collective energy toward a higher frequency. Accepting this gift with compassion and understanding will help you manage your relationships and situations with grace, knowing that your light has the ability to influence the world around you. If you identify with all of these, you are most likely a light worker or someone who vibrates at a high frequency. If that's the case, you must be aware that merely surviving requires a significant amount of energy. My sweethearts, thank you for what you're doing. It is a privilege to serve with you at this time of transition and rebirth. Maintain your radiance. The Wealth Master sends his blessings to all the lovely individuals